Introducing the Genius Tools Flex Head Ratchet. This tool isn't just any ratchet, it's your go-to for tough jobs. Made from durable Chrome Vanadium Steel, it features a half-inch drive and a long 650mm handle for extra leverage. The 72-teeth mechanism provides precision and strength, making it easier to work in tight spaces. Its 180-degree flex head pivots to get the right angle every time, ensuring you can tackle any task with ease. Stylish, strong, and built to last. It's the perfect addition to any toolbox. Genius Tools designed it with your needs in mind. Rated to meet or exceed ANSI specifications, Genius Tools stands behind its work with a limited lifetime warranty, safeguarding you against any manufacturer defects. Genius Tools, built for pros, made for life.